here we are, Poznan Game Arena, the biggest Polish event for gamers, but also a very important one for the development industry, and particularly the indie studios. It is a chance for them to show their games to a wider audience and meet the actual target they're working for. Or they can just go around and high-five everyone. PGA doesn't have to be only about fun and entertainment. It is also a host of the Games Industry Conference. This is where more or less experienced developers share the know-how with, well, actually anybody who cares. You just need a regular PGA ticket and you can see all the lectures. Polish gaming industry has gradually become a very significant share of the whole national economy. I would say that there's around 4,000 people actually creating games here, and probably over 150 bigger or smaller companies. Of course, Polish games are more than just The Witcher or Dying Light. We got hundreds of small or even tiny studios creating brilliant games that already got the world's attention. The industry is growing at a surprising velocity, and the evolution of events like PGA reflects that. Each year there's more visitors, more exhibit halls, and more games, and we're really just getting started. The people who create Polish game development community, they're a marvelous bunch. They're so diverse, so peculiar, and yet they're all very open and cooperative, you know? Despite all the business and competition aspects of our jobs, we just share what we know and work hard to be supportive towards each other. And don't get me wrong, it's not just about being better people, it's exactly what we need for Polish games to earn the recognition they deserve. Looking at how Polish gaming industry is growing right now, there's no secret we will dominate this part of Europe sooner or later. The question is, when will games from Polska conquer the world?